Assalamu alaikum badimolu ngali konton kote ke kabondi kibaro network ngali bismillah momi toni konton kendo wala nsafon na banda babato yo nada kote ke malla fi ka wato ta molbul mi yalon kolle ben jibe la nata don kakacha ku dantanna politiko be taka nyaminna dindugol mi yalon kolle frasta kabondi UDP kadi amula kola ni aje wati ni waten ka finti kakacha mul fe kamul hakilo bulande kola mi yalon ko wolle keta surtout taliben suda anin United Democratic Party tema ma nyami yalan koy bole ke kan hanin bi mbela flanon ka kana ko kacha fereng fang bari kula mi yalan ko nin ko mbat laje na sama toros keno jele and abeta kila kule to mi yalan ko asnake ana manke UDP dam mati bari snake banko fon la toroti o kamala telte sila muku wala ngatra jibiro ke kan fewmi yalan ko bele den tala ay tinya wo nyama bare woto sali be ten to ngal be jeyi nga dum kacha kono mi yalan ko nata wala nga kuma kan mo mi yalan ko le fota United Movement for Change ila PRO mo gede ke mo bojanta ya fo interview mi yalan ko ay wala ke ay Africa TV anin ker fatu yo kumol be je mi yalon kay wolle sata sorry alaji Usainu la dungo politiko kono ala sata ro kono ka foko Mr. Dabo was in UP then wala janinga NCP then UP and anata ka fasun political party lo yingeta kulet mi yalon ko ntelbika kacha ntelbika diamo don parce que la fa diamo la anata antene Mr. Dabo ne mo kacha barbutum molbe Mr. Dabo balami yalon ko wolu ene Mr. Dabo meta do yata nyawnya sanji tan sabani fen wala sanji tan nani e me battle wala mun siata woti fan because I thought na mari da diamo ka fonye ko ani Mr. Dabo la do ko ni tema is either 1974 I ngame wol sifa so kumeri mbaleng astafula 77 kumeri mbaleng basically askeno natra if my memory serve me well I will phone yo but to be specific na mari diamta ngani ninka kemo nyim kuma kama mumfonye the first thing amari yemi mfonye wallahi billahi kwenye ko chebe mo bifani yalla kwenye Mr. Dabo ala taro political kono anene more support political kono but he never engaged in political activities. He was never affiliated to any political party and nene political party support openly mo be mi yalon ka nene lafta wala political kono sa kanuno le political kono bara nene man finti kala la foitandi wala kala kanoitandi political kono killing fulanjango ayayitandina Mr. Dabo where emphasize le ko atama political party lo mole political party lo ya kumandi pura na political party ni nya don kaya wol bende wo kumo kan wol bende mo problem oti wolen ite kadiamo an active movement ni yalonko alko alla fatili mo le sabatin la banko kan alla fa mol kala kilimo leti alla fa narrative political narratives alla fa wol change la. But the only message that you can give to the people whenever you are talking or whenever you are out on public platforms, welen kakuma kan fo mole milia lonko tonya nisi lo manta kakuma kan fo mole milia lonko ifan ya lonko kanyi mum fo dem kuma kense ole wo mo kulet mi ya lonka balafa wata back and then almost UMC is known for this misinformation kakuma fo milia lonko faniale. I have had IEC statement that go based on the publication of one of the informations that I published. Kafoko UMC could not be registered because they have a little technical errors. Muyalonko should be corrected. So is register no. I elaborated that probably it might be that one of them is Talib have to resign from the United Democratic Party or else from the KMC leadership to be able to contest as an independent or leading political party of his choice to lead to 2026. Yo, covering IEC Finjide Diamta Wokola, basically what they gave was the UMC has some little technical errors that should be corrected. So whatever is he registered now. And then we have seen their recent activities on those now the point is, when I said this, a whole lot of people among them and other people, in fact some of the media houses came out to say that Talib was engaged, and then he said but not ajere IEC means safe and ila IEC la PRO mean for an mean safe no is quite similar. Information, or you cannot have all correct at 100%. That is completely impossible. Hanamadingo hani mamfengo foe kodol be hana kire nyala sometimes ni koy ba fola staff nyala mi yalon koy fonga yalon kon kanyum mum fotenga keta nyala le bare budon hanamadi yala na sole woti, but itali be yalon ne ko mi information no din tela ntemu ya safe UMC molu mol fana yalon ko ya read IEC fonga be yalon ne ko te min safe wolem tonyati. And then what I wrote about UMC wala fana mutonyati, but they still came out to debunk what I wrote about regarding their registration. Now the point is, Ndeminfo, I need to means a samana about these technical issues and stuff like that. Kire ya foko imang kola sotono ila patie, hanim bifon kola man sotono. Ila registration o ye errors lekije mi yalon ko administratively momi yalon ko e fahamuroke iko mol yalon ko wolle be UMC alfal mul yalon ko bije ya administration understand ya faham luwa ka tama nyanin ya faham kol mul ka ke pulka pati establish ye mim foko wala mu ila errolti in this case ndamala, to be honest with everybody ndamala, because ning ayatara UMC la mol finjitare itata registration okay in various in all four corners of the country. Ye molu register and a registration okay ye molto safe ye cool beke ye from regions ye regional ye regional structure in beke. Now if that is the case, janning UMC be submission okay at the IEC, there should be a team that will go over all those details to know, or there should be a team that should go all over those details. Ka jibi roke, ka faham roke, for there are errors in this or not. Because mumu problemoti, the biggest mistake that they are facing right now is to be rejected. Whatever the case is, nkanyimum be foteng, jon kotoleng ila lembang tara fito kotoleng kasele santu lembang abe mu boroleti wala abe mu bitoti. Now nyimum bebe kerenten ya deda nyawonye ya mulu njawe yandi ya nyinyandi le pentrole malaba ye krasino le malaba ya ye whatever ye feofenka hani liele keje. At the end of the day, munketa woleng UMC is rejected by the IEC. That is the fact. There is nothing more that we can put it, fight and be war. That UMC is rejected by IEC. And unless and until UMC is registered, I am never going to believe UMC will be registered in this country. Let me tell Gambians one thing. Yaje munketa mumudu saba la fo alota as UDP candidate for I think is Busumbala constituency as National National Assembly member in the last legislative election, where reject bringing in some technical issues. Me along here and there, you are under this and this and this and that. Farmer Lono as candidate. Yaje womung yalong ko yake mo sabalo wo kukile ngole bekela Taliban sudala jing UMC la fatirola as a political party. And in addition, Fanan, I will put it to Gambians. Let everybody understand this. I am on record. Let everybody know as long as Talib la leadership will be announced la, let Talib be assured Adama Barrow will do everything Purakana as a leader or as a candidate towards 2026 elections. He should be sure about that. Natra hakilo babala, and then he's an intelligent person. But they would not know what is happening. I don't know in this group who is fooling who. Mawalelong. Ma faham. Jemale be jemane ne kang. Taliban Sudan ala molo. Now, they are using word in the menomi yalong ka mabulbana mara bondi nyoto. Munkeda kemo boyanti. Ningaji be do be jala ko kambala fa. You know, muna nankota kemo la ko kambala fa is because you see a lot of people within UDP, well, in UDP, Kabirate Biye, he has received a love and trust from the leadership that any other youth never received. Mofala mobe is wolonje. Alaji Useni ye kemo boya mutala ko amamarimo. Nemo Muhammad ma akadima bala nyamina ne kemo ma akadimi Alaji Usenu bala wala nyama. Now that kemo can go to another length. Puru ya foka be Alaji Usenu doya. Kabinte ya mo kemo ka foko ate UDP mamfenka ate ala potential UDP ye wole use. Wala tina I think achieve no UDP mi yalon ko funding ke do bije mi yalon ka ma achieve no. Yaje kemo, let me tell you one thing. Your potential totally because UDP put that potential in you. They installed that responsibility that you have in today. UDP le odundito. But you not realize it because you are at the wrong position pre-offer. If it was yesterday, if I were to talk to people right now, I would have been screaming. People will be watching me screaming, but it's alone and come. But when you come engaging Alpha Mulialon Kolebe UDP, they put you in a part. Mi yalon ko hani batara UDP anymore. Ibe fan sambanolal. I have spoken to a lot of people in UDP ila leadership. Kemoite yalo no ko tonya ya access to UDP la leadership to nyami na kuno. They access to je woli nyama. Our difference is you utilize your access either to scam. Kemo kana so moli diam. Bila imang interest to moli diam kemo. Imang interest killing to moli diam. Kemo, you left the United Democratic Party, I can tell you. After the Congress, you decide to leave UDP. After the Congress of Atodumfang Janjambure. What happened at Janjambure? Kabiri Intelkata Janjambure came waiting and Mikante took money into Kotoma. When we left Janjambure, you started attacking me diplomatically. I once confronted you because he can't command you boil. I felt contestia but Hana mancated in the Talib. You were begging, worshipping Taliban, then you want to turn around and call me boy. Kemonge confronted along Amanjaring Osata. Now realize you wanted to leave because you were in deep anger against UDP, against Alaji Usenu, because you felt Alaji Usenu, you were not protected by Alaji Usenu. And then came on, let us be factual here. Kabirim bota Todumfang Congress la Janjambure. You are the single person muyalon ko ebe United Democratic Party, the national Todumfang executive group okono. After you are not part of the national executive. Ntele o complain because near possibility dila wala near silo dila pour yetara nyinto pati kono funding ke do beje mi yalon ko wole faham roke signalu bari mo possibility di wala no complain. I've told people muli yalon ko ngai tandila ko outright ko alkanye munke wala nemi sadawe woke I think ko I kule ke mi yalon ka manya nakela because kemo man fisa mo ti nyimpati kono fo ye privilege di ala mi yalon ko funding ke be jay mo privilege kili mostono kemo man fendo ko nyimpati funding ke be kamin ke nyimpati Banyim party FNKT la mamunke funding kewli. Mr. Dabo Keita Kinu on his behalf to up to Nigeria. Ikata to represent him. Ay dunia itandila. Wala nang ko UDP fenne installite to ite fa kono mi yalonko bi molke jibe wala yatina talib hantela fa ke PROT. That is installed in you by United Democratic Party, but if ma faham italo nola because ila londo man fotawto. The matter of fact is wo Congress nyun kono ale kirimba sol mo kumandige ko min kay tandala ko place maltel mun wolu nenga karafa son ko ja kumbota fo ya mira ko e dindi ngole landi tabulo kay ya bute fo ila flasio colonna. I was very surprised. Mol be jemi yalon ko nganyim file abe baluri ne ndabi ka fo moy kon sedo be alahira Yusufa sedi kan ngay ko Yusufa ko ha don't know during the Congress or after Congress nadianta nkai bal mu yala mu ne jahal nkai UDP tata election ola we lost election 2021 kai karafawol it was like a normal business. They were all okay and then they went on running their normal activities. Nkai bal the same karafawol ngaje lose the election ola de karafaja lose the election ola in Janjambure karafa kabulo la kunto kakumbo ila o grupo mole ika kumbo fo ya mira ko masibo leketa ajoko mole fata patia ko. I began questioning myself nyimum place faldi nyim place o nyinga be mol na fal ake na famu ne what are they gaining from this position because ngamele nyim position onye ikata le puri do ko ci patie sa nim pati dingol mi ta ajata mun kumbo te munati nega kumbo alikar fa nyinen ka moli nyinen ka mil bije fon kam mi fu fani ale so e nyin mul beje I bebe bulari talib no mabi talib use their anger towards UDP pura ye bondi no pati kono ngafo moli jang nunto alima ela mo na kuma kawala nkale ko karafa ni aja bota UDP fon mum fon ya bondi UDP because talib ya itandala ko talib ben suda nyon dindi ngarawde ngo kabiri ko nye pamani ndene nyamaji ay tandala ko ini Ibrahima Dibawol bele kata ini ka ko beke ya kumbawol ani modo mun yalon kaye tolu kumandi ko nyili jibe bang misadabo ye protect at the Congress in Janjamure bodi yela position ta ya asalo ya cika ya di mondu saballa amanki karambali ati de hakilinta yale karafani wole kirimbaso karafa all along ani wole be sitting against Mr. Dabo. That is where he picked his hatred against that old man. Fali amena bile si nyafolo tingafu nganyim fom moliere. I think in one of my lives muyalon ko ngafo ye. Because this is why Karafa went on ranting and then building that hatred against Mr. Dabo. Because you believe in the minna. Kaitandala ko look, ibe fam fala Mr. Dabo for over 2 decades. But I mean muta fenti. I knew more the value against you. Ila place of ya chika yadi. Ye Karafa believe in the local national campaign manager position of Martel Tat is his own property. Now he felt in his trap. Taliban Suda. That is how corny he is. But the matter of fact is, Talib India Mumumbe Kekan, another mole. They could have engaged in something Miyalon will be beneficial. Because they promised Gambians ko ni na tanam. Ibe fitness somebody way politics Miyalon ko. Iba ole somebody mumbe banko di mol nafala. Mumbati na be bonda nying chocho kono. Mumbati na nyone ngo be bondileje. Now, if you open a gate for people to insult you, do you think we tell te nenna? Because I told them fang nying kemo bojan dindim menon kamun for Mr. Daboy openly. That is an indirect insult. And they can reference time in Toto, Mr. Dabo Conte Labondi Party Kono, Amanke betrayal. They celebrated that. Kabiri ngamo ibe wo celebrate kam nata la kote keko nkanyini muta mo hakilen tawol mute bile fana ila hakilen tayya faramansa ta kata bilu ko beti hani kabiri be la tidimbali yala whenever you talk to Mr. Dabo wala kamne fo you give a rope to a wrong rope to a fool to hang himself but im futata wolto talib na la moli e fandu ni masibo kuna ni malo. Now they have no step backward for it by force. Ibelana meni nyili bebe labana adama baro dabole koto. Ndele nyum fanam fale ja la savali ala ndi. Mr. Dabole finto ka foko moila aligned to any political party of it should be is your choice and the neo ke fana enyanta keno lale. But sa yalna mbeye mira. Mr. Dabo's relationship with Ibrahim Adiba, Karafa Sonko, and Mr. Dabo Temo. Ate Kemo Bojandi Mr. Dabo Temo. Even as young that he is, Mr. Dabo all the possibilities dialali. Prior leader in UDP. Ibrahim Adiba, Mr. Dabo dingole mati. Na political bondije. Karafa Sonko Mr. Dabo landa mole mati. Na political bondije. Wo Mr. Dabo killingo. Ibrahim Adiba we na muli tidi killing akaye Mr. Dabo filijele. Ay mole je mi yalonko political la karola wole fahamta Mr. Dabo ti. Banko dingole wole kanu Mr. Dabo ti. Banko dingole lata wole Mr. Dabo ti. Wole si keno president ti. Mr. Dabo ti keno la president ti. Mr. Dabo makoyo mumbeki Ibrahim ala. Ay lanno mumbe sutay. Ibrahim ay wulitiri kilinga Mr. Dabo filije. Aka Mr. Dabo nenno wola kola. Ka doya no wola kola. Nimbu wo manke bitriati. Mune bekela bitriati kote ke dunia kono. Yala ni mukumo moilati. Ni mkumaka mfota. Mun tuta kome kole moyi. Mun fota ebika wo moyi. Mr. Dabo muntu koma kumo moyi lali ye wole moyi. Bar hakilin tan wole be sapila kumo le kamia lon ko ya moyi Mr. Dabo minfo. Idel lafta min moyi la. Ye sap ini wole chike inani borotata. Ba Mr. Dabo minfo. Kuma kan to mi ya lon ko moli ya nyenin ka wala. Ko fonyili min ke bitrel fo bitrelde. Who among us ndemu yalon kon kadiya mu mulike la mo intel milikate la mo ina jamale latan telbe kon Mr. Dabo ba fulal ko on that platform ko mis nyiliyente bitrele nga Usain Dabo midlo faltili yamana kabirin Usain Dabo ka fonunko kerfatu koni Ibrahim Adiba sa filino je adimoli ya filije wo wato nte yalo nako Mr. Dabo yalo nako Ibrahim tata molbe balule miliyalon ko they witness what I've told them. But Ibrahim was still bragging about that. Aka braga kola audio kono nga mo kumandi. Amari molbe baluri ne mudi yalon ko ikonyi nga mfonyo moto kumandola. He was bragging nga amari kumandi nka ko listen to this fool. Mr. Dabo e passing e malon ka e passing ne. Ay kuma ba fo ete malon fo nga e mun kuma kan si fale fo e. This is when I believe Mr. Dabo has given these people the longest rope for ye from hang. But the matter of fact is, Njitala Bandamindo, well, in Taliban so that any movement will not be registered. And I am only doing Yunkono, a bela life letting yala politically. Karafasonko, aning Ibrahim Adiba li betara haiti la tenne wrong. Nde nyine mbala fa ko nyum. What you have struggled for 30 years. Dinding kilingo na ko ite ba man fudu ndele ba fududa. Yemi mbiye do ko abechi ka ya dinna. Yebula noma. Min lafte ke la nyami na ngeke wo nyama. This is the easiest definition mbata la nyami. walla mba define la nyamin ale mum be do ku for 29 years 30 years Ibrahima yol be chika abe monto mota adi talib la yela reputation o tinya e ko ina mul ko teke ye fan jutu bulandi jutu na mol ko ni banko kan ina mul ko de ko moli ye lela ko teke moli bule no ma ko teke nani fo Ibrahima moli ko kilimbe duniya ko ni fota wala hani eta e njembo city eta nyo bol mola wala la integrity ko sibi ka jar fenna ko teke society kono anden talibi al fondi wala altabe muna fola mole ko teke mobe la min ite Ibrahima diba mu yemi sadabo fil noje after serving him after being with him for 29 to 30 years ite ni jamal be do ko kala ite be ni jamal be ite be kumo fola moye ni jamal be taf ko tafula ni jamal be ko fola ali ko ali ya tafula mali yella ko nyin kanyi mum fonte asilano asi akumo nyi mutanol hana mari nyama ta kata miteti ate sonna wala. And then what happened in the Gambia right now is we have young leadership issue. Problem bale ben telephone bulu. And then I believe what should happen is alinga kata ngam fan structure, ngam fan karandi, ngam fan dalinde kula, ngam fan mutandi fenna ni yalon ko ntella ta wala. Telephone kiri mala fenna. Be politiko kono do be height la. We are running from one political party to another. Njikita momu na ko anyanta keno la mo kendo tile politiko kono funding kelo ndoro alena du daka cabinet the biggest slave in the in politics. Alinge konti momu sabal be wole kono Dr. Ismaila Sise abe wole kono Ibrahima Diba abe wole kono Karafa Sonko abe wole kono Kemo Bojawol bebe wole kono askeno nyaton kotile nun sama mi yalon kabe mol nafara but at the end of the day miniketa telephone din kelu mbe diamla nyaadile mbe mune fola it's just that Gambia is not a serious country nte kamo tawole nya we don't love our country we the Gambians malla finna bankola we have no regards for our people. But naba nyama mungu sabalte kuma fola monyante la moila mina. Regardless of our relationship. Ibrahima di manyana kuma kango fola monyante la moila mina. Regardless of our relationship. Bi karafa manyana kuma kango fola monyante la moila mina. Hada madi ngo kodol bije ni fota wala ita mantara hada madi ngo ita ni bal ni sajel ni solle kanyanta. But the matter of fact is Gambians don't love their country. They have individuals that they love, they fall in love with. Ni woketa ni wo ko kunke aya Kenya wonyang woka beti etelinya akotole. Fojani be kudo jela mi yalon ko yibi separation be kile ni wo mari tema. Natara banko be tama ka wo nyama wala banko nyanta tala wole nyama. Ameta nyawonya ndamal be kilimba so kumalla because manta na fajira ko nyin kono. When you are fighting for a country, ibika kiloke harama dimwe. Ika kiloke o bankole. Banko mu yalon ko ni wo mari be den tawalla. Banko mu yalon ko na tilintabe keleti la mantabe ngolta ni wo mari ni dingol ni mamari ngol. Ban sai na atrantelien na banko filije nko ning bi for example ni mumudu kurang temole diata. Na fo fenk drong ay nyale fa. Nimpa boy arasane temule diata na fo fenke dorom ay nyaale fa woto ndefem fula je mbende la fere wala nga supporta kan ba na woke aka bankole affect na tara pa boy ara should be held responsible so ntedum ndemu yalon ko kama ko secretly ndemu yalon ko nyanta balandino law ko la ngande aka wala nga supporta kan Gambia fota nyinela. When you go to responsible countries, funding keli ka fintile, ika diamu bankola kola ika diamu samala ika fengol samana mi yalon ko bankola samale bije, and that has nothing to do with politics. But be alaji be funding kel mul yalon ko ika diamu molke la moy 90% or 95% of those people are politically oriented. They are only engaged, or the people only listen to them. Not the political activity. Ebe diamu kam political akola. Na ya jibe funding ke jelle ka finti ye na diamu bankola kola. Funding ke jelle ka finti ye na diamu dunia la kola. Ye mor kana di dunia ka tama tenne wala dunia be loni tenne wala nyinni kanana. No. Platforms are open for public debate. Funding Kedia Taraje. All they do accuse people, insult them. Ndamali kamfanyo kama. What happened at the end of the day? Chaos like a create. Separation o inana. Ninati na nyimbanko ma unite no. You hate people you barely know. You only see them on televisions, on social media platforms. But ni ye camera ko ye nuoleje, because you don't want to look at them. Themati na fo ye baito minna andi mfango ni ye nyini kaita fango tafo na nyini ati na ngambang karto. Banku o banku tamata wonyama o banku titala nyato. These irresponsible leaders mu yalon ko ifangol na fale biye. Is succeeda because he succeeda wala. They don't want us to debate. They don't want us to listen to each other. They don't want us to come to conclusion kaita ne kon telbe mu banko dingoleti Gambia dingolen telbeti. But they are busy creating nko moyente kumandi ni alatema billahi wala talai moyem kumandi wala nabe diamo kan akonye ko mfango nyala le nyintide ninga banko nyem foy talibalo na jamali ya foy akonye mfango nyala ni nyintide molu ka molu nen talible ke kumandi telefono la ko karning nyena la ko jele nyinni nyinkeje besun karolo kono wala ni mol ka fonte ko taliben suda bika fenke akatata dedine ngafo this person is a madman, because I know who Taliban Suda is. Signing funding ke muka lafta bankol la. Anyanta banku dingol unite la. Ako he is a youth leader. Anyanya ni banku dingol sutu funding ke uli kera kilimoti. Nga kiloki nga banko bondi kolea mi yalong ka bole kono. Nim banku dingol mi yalong ko hanama mota ni lulo si. But he is busy dividing those people. He is only happy when he is seeing people going around insulting Pamane, castigating him because Pamane is against his leadership. He is only calling people to go after Pamane and insult him. Aliamina nyimbanko betamanola, nyimbanko betanola nyatole. And my advice is we need to change the narratives, and now. Nga funding kel soto mi yalon ko ibe sila le dunia jibe akatama nyamina. You see platform wol kay yaita ni mola dunia katama tenne. Dunia be nyillo kambulo leto abenyin stage leto. Nga funding kel soto mi yalon ko ibe nano la ya fonye ko ni nyanta tamala tenni ne pour nga banko bonde abenyin mun kono. But that's what Gambia lacks. All our intelligent people, our technocrats, people that we believe Koye is London story. Every time they speak, ikadiamuni minela, mansakunda dunta tenne, mansakunda fintita tenne. Dunia be stage minto, really ye momo mi yalonko, abe fintila la fumoli ko, dunia be in stage carneto. But all they talk about is mansakunda be janne. Ila engagement of 3/3 of their engagement is based on politics. Gambia ka diamo mumbeke, Gambia dingol ka diamo mumbeke, nka mimbe sata wala politikoti. fondin kere mul yalon ko jikita ko mo hakili malle moyti ibi ka fem fo no molye na manke political ti and the other platform most of these people you see on platforms ni kada platform ode ni molle kasi ye karandi ya foyko na tata be nyinne fola you will say it on our favor and say tonyale Kemo Boya we used to know in the United Democratic Party. It's not the Kemo Boya that we are seeing right now. Look, Hani Munyama Toti near Kemo Yakadiam, you know exactly what he is lectured. He is lectured. Kaitandala Konita Rebellion go. Kunu Hani Ajibi Kulmulialon Koleketa, I is la Diamo. Their appearance on platforms, you know, this is discourse and it is organized. Benyin karanyin rebenyin jabila. Iba jabila tenne. Hanimma belon media to say nga jamale lonye. I have hosted interviews and Molian interview. The matter of fact is, munyanta kake ndekolo ko funding keliye. Mol muliyalon ko wollebe nyatom kallamo milla. Alinga katanga banko je. Nimbe diamula moliye banko la kola. Nka reference start from banko miliyalon ko wollebe nyato. Nka jibiro ki ngal nga karang. Anafa molti de karango. Yefem fo moliye maminje folon. Yefem fo moliye memira minna folon. Yefem fo mol wo manke kumfadinte yati. Kisi roleng wole londoti. Londo soto ba wole momu yalan ko wole kisi rolo katambi teti. Angale kan ka fire research. Ika research ke nyaminna ika londo soto wole nyama. Now, if ni ka kisi roke, inada finti mol kan platform mol to idia mota mol fe. Ibe fenne fola mol ye milia lon ko mol malon parce que mol la kisi ro man futa woto. Anda be dakela bankola na fadi. Bantela dia momu mebe nyo kaja foleng, nyo nengoleng, nyo tinya, nyo kaja fo, nyo nengo, nyo tinya. Mol le la na fadi woto. Aman no faso to bali yake de. Ay nafaso dole bala man nafaso ton telle yala nafaso to jemale mol muli yalon ko leaders that want to see our youths divided woli ay nafale sotoy banteli muli yalon ko lafta banko ta nyato lafta banko bondi nyi tilimbali yakono nda mal be nyon nenna amana nafaso ton telier because we are going to be divided. And ntelle nyanta sembo la nyokam. Ntelle nyanta hakilo la nyokam. Ntelle nyanta kila mo kilingolti. Pour nga nyimban ko boni tilimbali ami yalon ka bolo kono. Wol nga fo jang ay Africa. Gan kay ko Gambia dingo man lafi bankola. We have Gambia dingo the biggest thing Gambia lacks the minna. Gambia lacks stamina. Wole patriotism ti. Nteliban kudi yam fota alale. Malum nem fota alale for the dictatorship 22 years of Jammeh's dictatorship mo long. Wole atina molma hani wala karambol to ibika bankudi ya karanjelemba. Look, if you go to our neighboring in Senegal, wallahi kaboni nursery school. So mandani for the kaitandila ko itemu Senegalese follow. Janun kubekela. The first thing that they put in your mind is to show you that you are a Senegalese. Walan really ye Senegalese nyininka itemu muntoli. Janni ka fo ko mbota nyila karamde ka mun follow fo walan temu Senegalese. Bahal Gambia jibe. Ini Gambia dingo be diam la demanding abaytan le mun si fale mati. Luwa idam mandinka wolof jola sarahule. Manjako bainunko akuo kasinko nsilata sai nyinata banku di yala Where are we heading to? If a fellow countrymen and women only engage based on tribalism, there is no tribalism in the Gambia. The only thing is Gambia is very, very safe and they are so tolerant. But ni wonte nkamin be fo, nkamin be diamo, nkanyin kirimba sol mul beke nyone mul beke kan social media. Denu nga nyoku kuntu. Because Gambia be na social media, etamo 1 hour wala 1 hour plus mo meje mi yalonko. Yemi ibotamin nenda kunun suto wala min kaya fi biso manda wala tribal mul neng wala kuma kawul mul yalonko ya fa jawma imam moje mi yalonka yelo wo mol kono. But Gambia dingo is very tolerant. Isi jele fe wala nyaka silete la hayo tamandi. Wo Cairo ni wote ngole ben noma. Bar Gambia no kamim fono Gambia dingwe wala kanyati nga mim fay ni yake bankudo kanini mobe dabe ko kuntula alinga bondi wo kono sai. We're in the 21st century. Adama baro nyi masa kunda bele nyanta sembola la nyoka nga feroke nga bondi jam ko sintella na fateje ndingol la na fateje na samateje ndingol la samateje. But wote keno la na traman sembola nyoka. This happened that we were able to remove Yajame in 2016 because the entire nation we were all unified. There was one voice. Kabondi banko kalneng even the outside the country. More than ta wole kilimbaso samana nunja. Kabiri mama kandeko abala patie lola. But at the end of the day, moli efrijele lota yaje ko jame bondi jam. With his power, experience, being so long in governance, almost spending 2 decades plus. But we were able to remove him because we were unified. Because there was one language. The language was Jammeh must go. Gambia have to decide, and we decided. If that is the case against Adama, he may be removed, but in a very difficult situation abekela world. And mo kili martina ni nyim funding kele mulbe politiko kono wolle yatina. Bisi diamo Adama la kola tilifula. Ni fahamulo ke ko mulki la moy nying na le doron yenaay bankola million wol tika ya dila. Ye banku dingol filije bula Adama noma. Ye bankola interest filije bula Adama noma. Anda tel mo kili la kafu mole nungo Adama manke mo kendoti. Adama la wo kende ya bali anala wo kuriyani bankola na fulo mu yalon ko e kawle tinyano. Mbesi te janga wole sata. Yena mur ko te ken tel na tel be den tawo na fulo munna ya cika ya di al damal. Alternator against the Gambian population, trying to make us believe ko Adama mo kendolti momu yalon ko yala tilimbali ya nala kuru yafo momu yalon ko iloto jam ko amanke mo kendo tante banko sambanola bitele kana fo koteke ko banko dingol ye liele ta wala banko dingol ye lieta ya mananka wala ko mo kendole wote nyina nan kale ko Gambia has failed in youth leadership. In the Gambia, ngaku jamale cross. You see, Gambia is as divided as ikajele nim modol be grupo dol bije. Nim Gambia la ko wulita, welsi fintino le group dol bije, wolte fintila. This is how divided we are. Nintel be example otala. The best example that we can take is Senegal. Benin Senegal ko alnanga finti. There is no group of Nangam, Gala group, Kiebujen group, Atodum Fang, Nyankatam group, Ismaila Yasin group. Ikake Senegalese. If they said youths have to go out, youth goes out. If they said we are going to fight against this, they go out fight they go out to fight that against that particular activity. But in the Gambia, ikajele mo sababu monani mo luliyelo iko ika fenekele. At the end of the day, you know what happened? Ida mal kaboni nyoko tolfang. They start accusing each other. Ni boto la do ko anda nga sembo la ni molikan. They even label you during that period. Isi fengo do dida ye modo ke di unko ika Gambia da mal fengo je mol da mal nyanta ko kala ye modo ta ko nyille molti miliyan ko le fahamro nyindol mu nyama tolleti. I'm telling you something serious here. Mi yaron ko moli nya bala i nyanta ka ko nyin jibe no bari nga nya ka sala. Fonna fahamro le man futa je bang fo man pare ka ko le fahama ko nyin kon. Alena fonnin kel jibe. You are only out when you are asked to go out. And then you only go out when a particular group asks you to go out. Wole bal phone la. Almu atelem wala mo kendolti. The rest will fanang they are only supported when naya tara will fanana mo lefe. Nko banko bi katamo wo nyama. Angan na ego landi. This is not about Pamani Ismail and Bakari. When you are fighting for a country, you don't make name. You fight genuinely. Nimfo fe ye taraje salon ko nyinente taraje. But tell our people they go out to make names. They go out because they want to be seen. Samani fengata deng isafo karle mo kendoti karle nyinni kejam. When you want to fight for a country, the smallest is to be seen in the picture. Alwo faham je. Alingam fonyo chahanora. Gambia funding ke be ntele bankola ko manyabo. Nyabe lo min kam political. Every time we talk is about politics. Ning Ismaila yake. You have Yalong kukili ne beje mbika pare kafo anu yaje mba fulalde nyim si fata fanse ko mbe nyim banko kanja Gambia nal ma boni je Gambia te sofara ani janin tapasinte talaje anenu momu wulte kafo te ko si fata faso de banko kam bal na ko ite nyale mata nka pare le kafo wala nka pare mbika fo do it's as simple as that alinga si fata fanso bula alinga banko ta alinga Gambia dingol ta ngeke ko nyimbu Gambia dingol ti why do jite because nanga talib lota wale kang and this is his belief. I mulmul nene majority of those people I believe in the walla. Nobody will dispute ko alaji Ousainou mo kendoti mo kilente jimbanko ka musi wori jet ka lafta jimbanko la nyimbanko la nyato ta wala mala priority and I will kill for 29 years ala hajol be tuje ala na fulo ki ye ay banko kanu la itani mo belal mune tutaje si fatam fanso ali si fatam fanso bula nani young leaders mun yalon koy bije ni fenkade ko alaji Ousainou mo kendoti but nyim mol mun yalon ko they are outsiders they will not support him based on ibika fono ifa. There is no conclusion in that statement. Alaji Ousainou is not electable. Why? They will not. They barely bring in an argument. Mi alon ka ba abeli mani andila ko nyinka nyimu foten. Tonya hani afoete ya si convince nole. But they don't have anything to put on the table. Alaji, I left UDP because the leadership quality. Ila directional muntawole mandieni. You have been in that party for 29 years. I left UDP because Alaji Ousainou is not electable. You go out and on a platform, kaitani mola fananko. Ite the same person den kawala foy. Kafo moli ko ite believe ta muna wole ku yalon ka kete in dunia kono alala yaki. Ko ite da destiny alala ba design la. inyanta min soda ni manyana min sodo wobe alale bulokor. You are the same person busy going around telling people ko Alhaji Hussein Tekeno la president. And you want us to believe ko you should be trusted. You are a truthful person. Kabirite lata ko alale ka fengo bedi mola. Andi lata ko akadila at the right time. Alafta dile le wato mina akadila walla. Anda bika choose time mina abadile la. And the mo kilinta design na mo kilinta phone la ko jamal be kala president jamal Tekeno la president. Wo mo kilingulu wolle ka fo moli ko Alhaji Hussein Tekeno la president. Wolle fam believe indi ko molle ka fo ko Alhaji Hussein Tekeno la president wala tane wata UDP. Nyum fonni ke kilingol. Nemli ke mo boya. Ay Africa wolu nga mafoje. Modulel statement no emphasize it in fact. Ka foko hana madimo keta feo fenti in dunia kono ala le keri ndate. Andu hana madimo nyanta feo fen sotola ala ka dila alafta dile la time minale. Hana madimo molbe la ta ko ni manfa isikeno ko kuntele. Fuaro ka banna yano banna fanan ka fuare yano le. Womu ala la kero leti. Abika jibe abadila jimala anda abika jibe anyanta jila jimala. Wo fana mu ala la kero leti. Kemo niyo fu platform on sonta. Ba niyo ta yete fon mini wola. Wo kalo mu ye fon mini ndala. As a human being. Ko itala dunia ila baluo ala le be wo design la. Andu wala staff la ala le wo design. Anda lafte ke feo fenti be kala wolti. Alafta momu yeke president nyimbanko ko wole be kelati mune ati na telema la ko ndene Alhaji Hussein bebe ku killing na atara askeno this is the year nga nyatele minna ko wole be kelala presidency munati na malla wala munati na altel lata ko altel nyanda kala fo fente in duniya kono ala wo design na ando ala bo kelal alla no tawola baral malla ko wala ali al fallan liamani andiko fon mol hana madin kilingol sa fon wali leko Alhaji Hussein Tekeno la president and they are outsiders konal na ba fe ndekarte faylay ali al fallan di wala kemo boya asal ka jamal nene Alikal fongol le nene bang Falka United Democratic Party le nene. Kemo boya. Alingam fonyo kumo dol bije ni tata foy bol fola. Ifon kale fongola kuma kangola. Ndela ta minna wolen altel mulka diam. Altel UMC ko la mal lal fongol la folon. Jannal be kuma kan fola moli. Additionally, atel mulko alibota UMC because alte opposition ya alte wole keno la kotake ke monnena ma moyite dala de bari karafa sonko ning onko lare sise ya sonko kele nata mi sadabo ya ndunta mi sadabo la office kono jannin kadu mi sadabo la office kono ngatara kuma kangobe secretariat man karafa fongo taraje in passé bari nga kuma kango taraje ko karafa ko la resise ile ko iteli kanyanta opposition de ite opposition yake no la ko na wo be dem problème oti nin karafa wo fo la resise wala ke mo bo jalla ta wala Ibrahima Dibako sa ente opposition yanta kenola ibota UDP ilata NPP kan mbalo na ko to nyanyili mum fo wole beto ikanyanta opposition yalla hakili ma yan ko le fali andum be diam kam mol miliyalon ko hakili ma le moyi bari ite bondi United Democratic Party Muyalonko is already an established political party that has been serving Gambia for 29 years. Fente Jemi Yalonko Ibodira because they already have an established political party. with at least 200 and something thousand to 300,000 supporters. Ina bondi wokono iko ikata movement ole lo. Ikatulum banku dingol le bam fo ikatuli fangol la. Ikan tella hakilo nyimi bam fo ike fangol nene. Fo ko mole le mune be chafuri ngal terbul. What are you hiding from people? Iko wada UDP le because ikata nyami na wala me nyafa. But you are trying to align with people muliyalonko UDP la leadership Benjamin the same leadership wole be bulu. It's almost the same ideology. You should be ashamed of coming out on public platforms. Kakata kanyin sifal express. UMC Mall. You created all this atmosphere. This back and forth confrontation muliyalonko le bal ni UDP tema. Because you wanted people to see you go. If you want to put yourself on the race. Albenine be kika. It's like any person any ordinary Gambian after aita NPP wala baro to recognize him. So kode face na flow di no wala abe fintila alaji usene wala UDP kajavi. This is exactly what you people are doing. You want to be recognized, you want to be seen. Sign the only political party or the leader that you can be castigating either direct or indirectly. So could have any multi confrontation no. UMC to be on the spotlight. Well, always kata UDP noma. If UDP castigate la, if kunga call for la UDP, if call kela. Nalo tole ba mo ile ya mente. He said publicly, the worst decision he could have done, or he did, was to leave United Democratic Party. Because I alone neko abe mike kang ala interest ye. I alone neko abe silo min takang. I mean to ye wole fisatati. Baraka nyimu mbe foje da yefo fenye ndunia kon hane alai hana madimo fa. Akasa mani sirol iba fala konole ya dimi wala nya akungole fadita wala accident leki wala singole ya dimi nya dimo le ama hani mo ka nyingo wutula e fa banadi ata ala ya si mo fa andum pretext taraje wala ta fala nyin sasa karle ya fa efo fe nyin dunia kono mo si sembela pura e ko ke mi yalon ko mol nyanta blame le ta blame because ibajela ka sembeta minna kono kete ya wala. The only thing that you can say, because you wanted to leave UDP, and then there is nothing that will stop you from doing that, well ngalia for UDP la nyaton ko overstated. That is the only statement you can give. And we expected that from you. But let me tell you, you would never have a leader mi yalonko abe banko kanula abe tilinali fe abali kanula abe la fila nyim banko eta nyato mumbe tamila alaji usenoti alte o mari stola Gambia mume be kon ndele ya fali. And then you all know that more than me. But alibe tilimbali ale kekan because alman pare banko le nyato talla. Nyim fondin kel bebe nyim politiko kono tegi be bori na alka nyimul jetege be fankela li fe mo kendolti ikungol ko le mantra fe na je politiko kono. Ask them. Alka nyimul be jete be diamu kan. Some of them are saying damandum politiko kono fenna nganom fangwele nangam ya mente wol mun kadiamu te. Political appointment ul babul. Ye karte faya la keta deputy ake balu wala jamali be la case kay ko kata di yalla. Who is that foolish in this country? Na boni woto ke mo bo jamu ngalon ka be diam kante political appointment ul babul na talib na karte faya talib le Talibia nominate in council. Akita council oti. Karafa Sonko. Appointment man tarabulu. But engagement no be mu political ti. Hani biriki dingo abika chika. Ake balu munela political ka balundi. Ibrahim Adiba. I feel offense no nyimbanko kanjambi. Political yati because Ibrahim ma fonte bara afu muli elunko kari nyin chika ya dinna. Fengo me yalon ko mo sa nyini no akona kano sanji tang aba nyini la master political sa chika ya di Ibrahim ala. Nyimbanko kanja. O manke political na fati. Let's name others. Wo young councilor muli yalon ko be bulata talib noma. They were all elected by United Democratic Party. Amanche political appointment on. They were elected. Now they are benefiting from the Gambian poor taxpayers. In other Murukoteke, Wole Filije, people that elected them. Muli Kase Faye, Lote Tilokon, Woso Manda Juno. And let me tell you, majority of these people, Muli Alonko, baby Diamukan, Dolbeje, Wola Kate Fayo Keta Sunkarolokon. Na campaign ke Sunkarolo kono. I fully remember that. Mulki la hajo ka sungo dolbeje wol ka sungo tel don frikiti ye fay moto kono. Dolla sungo muta famo muta ala da male wolo. Allahu ahlam. Wo fondin ke kidingol le koy wo mol filino jele midi yalon ko wolle carte fayye e koy bula mo kilinde no ma midi yalon ko ini wole kata nyinka ke Gambia da mal. Nyimon kete Gambia deng talib woli ka nyimon kete baro e nyin mulu kete nyin kalanta yalbe akeke Gambia damal Macky Sall atodu astaghfirullah jomay fayni Ousmane Sonko temo iba kata kan kabili la siege saintema over 2 years jomay fengo beleke alkana mina ko nyina jomay fengo beleke pour que Ousmane filno ye bala masto no molle la media lon ka ni wolle nyanta tara kukili Bari ka Gambia dindin kidinje mi yalon kay tara politiko kono kunu ne GDC law ani GDC ye APRC law ani APRC ye PDOIS law ani PDOIS ye GMC law ani GMC ye UDP law ani UDP hana badin kidem political party lota ye buru wala nyaton koya aliya do mo fali abulo bangabul fereng ale sawundu la doto foninke koy mbasa nyodum ikoy costume modum ikoy balu nyaale moto borindi ikoy ita do ko keta wala ben politiko kono as Talib majority of the people following him where are they from Nene Freda Gomez kabring atodum fang Ismaila Cisse yala fenkoji political party da they were the first people in Ismaila Tata. Now that they see that Ismaila cannot provide anything, they left him for Taliban Suda. And they tell Talib Suksuk, Pula Fasum Patielo. And more food I don't even want to mention their names. People like MC Cham Jr. Ninte oje banko dingoli ikoy ka wolle chika ka wolle ka profile fem quality walle ka news headlines all di wolle la ifan kalon ko this country is not serious mun nyanta ka ke wolle nyimbanko nyanta katalale na funding ke wuli ya lonko nyimbanko solata funding kelela pour banko e bondi manje politiko la karolati ni ko youth leadership amanje ko alfal taray be nyaton kayala iko kali jinte si manje wote responsibility wala yatina ngaf wo responsibility wote tanola nga finti nga molu kachandi banko ka tama nyaminna wala mo youth solar responsibility right now ndele nyanda ka finti nga research nga londo nyini nga nanga itandi banku dingol la ko banko ne alafta bondila wala nim banko nyanta bonla ka tama nyintara mbulole la dunia be nyim tumfungol leto nga moli engage wala civic education but we are all busy going after our elders ka fo konte ke nyaton ko tlem bay force wala modo te kelati e kamone stoji political leadership e kamone stoji bari mo mu njag nimbori mbori ngobe kidila be tabe na e man fen nyini je na man ke kungol damalati. And you know what the saddest thing in this welling talib na la mulu because idabe ka tonya. Somebody is reminding me of the 30,000 subscribers because mbafle you call the subscribe te la fen code ila fen code into ila movement ila platform one. Now within they said 72 hours they almost have 30,000 people. They said it's the fastest growing institute in the Gambia. Well, an entity. Now, if 30,000, you are able to register 30,000 people within 72 hours, imagine a problem on Sotola. 10,000 samba IEC. Imagine no problem on Sotola. But I think Talib is trying to pull Gambians to a point that at a form malonko about from implicate ka wole fana nyama. Talib is trying to take Gambians for granted. I don't know how foolish they think we are, but ika kuma ka wole fu mole miliano ko ifangole malla ko nyimu tonyaleti. I think I heard 30,000 is the smallest. Nte hakilo back and forth kumonyinga town kumola, but I heard they were talking about 100 and something thousand people that they have the entire country. Ikanyinta 30,000 for that. I thought they were talking about KMC alone that they registered. But I can I want you people to prove me wrong. Go permanent until register. Then I will be very, very surprised. But for now, they me long and quite a ma ke ali register Nyimbanko Kanja as a political entity. Otomundu sabal si keno National Assembly member. Wala as a keno UDP la candidate totally. Nakuma kamal file in 2023. Nakuma kamal file yede. Ha, nakuma kamal file. Talib ye fonyo kakuma kense fo banko dingoli. Aye fonyo kakuma kense fo banko dingoli. Talib la kunungo kumo, anala kunun kumo, anala bi kumo ni la baskulo kay bika mulu ne fereng. Gambians still want to support and give a trust to a guy Miyalonko cannot even hold his own words. That is how Taliban Suda is. Alkalka mole nene. Ndeli Gambia dingolo. Alkalka ntelle nene. So we think we are that foolish. Because you can come with anything. Miyalonko lebelari ngal bulo kono. Aliena alia fo moli lamu yalla. Aliyala kuma kalanta on fo moli aliyeta la hayola. Nanyem fale ya last time you didn't listen to me. Nkale ko talibye dia mun soto as United Democratic Party la organizing secretary. I nafamu soto akono. I was sure he was going to establish his own political party. Because he knew kona la from fasum party law wo income wole be warala abe min soto la as the organizing secretary. But people refuse to listen to me. They refuse to listen to me. And Talib is not even thinking about being the president. There are a lot of things involved in Nila Nyumfengo. It reatala as business. Talib in as business. Aliamu ile kabirin Talib kafumungo. He pre-financed his election. A la second term with he said previously he pre-financed his election. Only UDP only gave him about $70,000. So at the finance, then another elaborate kafuko with his collaborators. This is when he planned that at the end of the day, either UDP believe or not, whatever happening, he's going to stand by his own. If he is selected, as the flag bearer of UDP, that is an open gate for him. But say na atre mansong, which he obviously believed ko UDP nenete sonna pora la leadership ta. Talib was so about that, and he was only playing his drama. Talib was so about that. Initially amal lanu, but kabila na I call for him. Atafanga aleno ko nyilika kuma kense ngole fonye. But he also played his cards very well, because he never want those to let those people go. He was able to take from them, because I made a political career tinyali. Talib is so dangerous that you people will not even know ala danger be ala political yalo last time ninja malbe diam nan kay ko modi amira ko baro nyamata yisuma mo fala yalo there are few people mili yalo ko in life ni me hakilo tuito masibo boyleka Olen a silent millionaire and an intellectual madman. Momi yalong kay fahamro fa Kenya manyinya. Banina man kacha dip kacha bikalong ko nyimu fahamur laldi. Most of the time they are taken for who they are not. And at the end of the day, akata community, akata mol be the terrain. Ika modo yamira ko nyim ay fahamro kele. Atara falo na jabion le woti. Ni na kacha ta drong ikalong ko nyim man fahamro. I will give you a clear, very clear example of that. Nala market and nala force diamo, nala force kacha. Kabinna nin nala ma kacha at 5-10 minutes. Ndefo be sidi nam dongan mira lang konying. Akasafiro munki angale kangolen dombang fa hakilole. I began to believe ko moy angale kango nyima safe wala diare ngo kango damale. That has nothing to do with his intelligence. Ye angale kan dima fo moli ji ko koy fahamro kila ni fahamro ke mankili ni alate man nana ma la nyininka nkai nana ma kwa nkai thought you were a very intelligent person, but at the end of the day I find out that you are the most stupid person I've ever encountered on social media. I was very surprised, and then it happened to me on several people. On social media, these people are extra intelligent people, but if I talk to them 5-10 minutes, I can realize, you know, I based on ninja. If I am talking to a diplomat, I will be a diplomat 10 minutes later. If I was to engage somebody me along can believe that when is an intelligent person, look, engage maturely. I listen to you, I give you the flow. I heard when Nanama talk, he's a madman. This is why Talib ya nene. This is why he subscribed to this foolish ideology. He fall for these tricks Talib ya play. Ndala dunia baluo mume be kono. Nenema musajen tofo. Look, we have to call these people out one after the other. You know why? Ni better than Bankola. And then they cannot produce anything in this country that we can't. And then there are nobody in this country that we are not. But look, Ndeboda Musa Agento, completely. I had huge respect for him before Nkala Kumakolumo Nkaja Katakachaka. And in Nakotoke Pasambajau. But not I realize ko look, Yaje Hanama Dimo Hanama, Hanibe Sareto Leka. Alemo Sabamo Nani follow the Bodka. Look, what Sareto Kamodo Leka Modol Samba. Not I realize ko in that platform, Yara from Pasambala intelligence. Musaye mini walla. When I saw him on iAfrica TV, Akadiamu Nyamina, his mode of expression, but this guy is one, he is not humble. Two, akamung act Akamun portray in his intelligence. I faham romanke. I long monkey in Bangkok. How productive he is at his age. Natra that he is. Akamun portray anda mu wole fananti. Akamanya mi nakadiamu nyami nate wokela. Wallahi billahi tallahi. Nolef. Namusa manya le jibe. Look, you don't have to listen to what people tell you all the time. Ali mulu manya jibe. Musa was talking as if he is the funying dafa jombon ne dafa wara talk si platform B wala dafa war gis ne Adama Barrow moko wara setan wala mom dafa gis ne mom he is another person ko xamantene fum tok ni kenen waru fa mëna tok wala mom to kenen togu fa mom bala mu fa tok. This is ridiculous. Bepare mu bug ñoo gomlo ne Musa mu bug ñoo gomlo ne Talib munna don president without coalition and support of UDP. Musa muy don wax lolu mom ci bopam gomul lolu. Yeen ay kilifa ngeen ci rew mi legi so len di waxtaan ak nit yi dañ ñu wax lo xamantene it makes sense, it's productive, we can agree on it. Mun na tok sa xalaat ndax li mun na nekk munul nekk ndax di su naree nekk ndax naka la mooy nekkee. At least ma engage on something loo xamante ne at the end of the day man suma boppa dinaa si xalaat ba ma mun a indi dara wala ma jëlee si dara waaye nga wax ma loo xamante ne su ma ko déggee damay xam ne lii moom waxi kasaw loolu baaxul. Loolu kilifa du ko def. But mistakenly these are the people that we listen to. They see the truth and they pick falsehood and make us want to believe ko li moy dega bi li ngeen tiye lolu baaxul war ngeen tiye ci li. This is just unbelievable. Ñun man xawma bam façon Gambia la nekka malom be mum banku si faleto. But we have a lot of people ñoo xamantene dañu da wax bu jàmmi nekkon fi defon nañ li bu jàmmi nekkon fi defon nañ li nangam nañ gis nga bu jàmmi nekkon fi social media lu melni everybody would have still engaged on social media like this unless and until you are living in the Gambia. Why the matter of fact is you people has possibilities to come out and talk, and majority of people that were talking in Jammeh's era, they don't hide their identities. Very few of you people were able to come out or have the bravery to show out your faces. The one in Mandia Jammeh, I am against Ngurambi because Bugma liag. Alright? But after that, Nino Gena, Nijame Nyoko Vigile, Nangam, you were sitting in your most comfort zone. In America, ngeen togon. Alright? Bu ngeen toge America ngeen di wasi Yaya Jammeh, ñu no kon ci biir réew mi nak di leen jox information. You think you are that brave koku la di la jox information koku doonu dara. Te gis nga koku di la jox information kenn xamu ko. Te kenn du ko xam tamit budul yow nga wax ko wala moom mu wone boppam. Gis nga réew buñ koy doxale nii lay demee. Waaye gis nga bu ci ñepp dugalee sa loxo doo jël crédit bi yëpp nga moomal ko sa boppa. Bu boobaa nga égoïste. Loolu nañ ko bàyyi xel bu baax. Gis nga soo waxee si mbir tamit nit rek ñu ne dafa attaque diw. Gis nga démbal mu ngi la attaque. Ñun dañ passé di attaque nit. Am na yoo xamante ne adresse nit la nga xamal nit ne lii ak lii comme Ismaila Bakary lu mu ko defee Adama Barrow. ñu ni tamit noonu lañ koy defalante. Man su ma la yaakaaru ne te yaakaaru ma ne man yow war nañ mën a jokkalante wala ñu teg xel pour ñu dindi dara sooy wax mbir su ma yoon du si nekk. Waaye Musa man foogoon naa ne yow sa kilifteef ak sa xam-xam ak fu nga toll ak li nga portrait sooy wax am na nooy waxee ak soo ñuy gomloo am na loolu ñuy gomloo loo xamante ne yow sa njëriñ daf siy nekka ñun suñ njëriñ nekka si waaye boo toogee on a public platform di ñu gomloo ne kii naka la tuddaati Talib Bensouda mun na win election without the help of United Democratic Party wala kii di any possible coalition mu bako yow naxuloo ñu sa boppa nga nax te foog naa ne loolu waru mën a nekk ñun dañ war a respecté wante doo leen jël Gambia ne ngeen def ñu benn ay mbaam wala ay mbaam àlla di ñu teete wala di ñu omat fu leen neex wala di ñu gomloo loo xamante ne seen boppa gomu leen ko loolu àdduna moo si weesu Musa ñun nekkatuñ si naka la tuddaati 1925 nekkatuñ foofu we are in 2026 comme na la leer ne yow fu nga bàyyi foo xamante ne yow sa yoo nekku ci am na koo xamante ne gëstu na foofu ba jéena fa so at least nañ respect wante man I was so disappointed ne if you were to engage on a platform di nga mun a waxee loo xamante ne nit dina la mun a seetaan waaye gis nga doomi adama boo xombulul rek pour nit seetaan la sax day nekk problème loolu moom man maa la ko dama la ko baaxee rek as a nephew noo ma mun a téye rek baax na man maa la ko baaxee waaye am na wax yoon ne su ma la ko bëggee wax di nga si gis sa boppa te du tere tamit lu ma laa wax dëgg la moo nekka ni dangaa di biiñ di xaci gémmiñ di yaatal gémmiñ di kii yooyu moo amul benn njëriñ ñun xooluñ la Musa li nga wax loolu la ñoo déglu loolu moo ñu ñor for the sake of tomorrow ay Talib mun na win election te UDP di ko dimbale loolu moom mu ay waxi daanu si saret la foog naa lu ëppa njëriñ mooy Musa ñun yépp ñu bokka toog under one umbrella ñu xool naka la ñoo liggéeyee ba Adama Barrow mu jógee koo fii loolu du interest United Democratic Party kese loolu interest Gambia la parce que at the end of the day Gambian si ñoo si win ñun la suñu réew ñun la suñu réew suñ ne Gambia waxuñ ne Pamane ko moom waxuñ ne Ismaila wala Bakary yow soo jógee Amérique nga ñëw fii ne di Gambia affaire yi Gambia nga wax war nga mun a xool mbiri Gambia su ma doonoon yow dama si xoolagum Gambia bi Gambia jeex takk ma soog a xoolaat leneen boo xoolee Gambia te nga teg ko ay pàcc nga xool Gambia jeex nga xool interest Gambia laay wax de nga xool interest Gambia jeex nga xool bu Musa jeex nga xool say doom nga soog a xool lan la ci political party nangam am waaye boo jëlee yépp nga teg ko si Talib Bensouda mu leer la ne mbir mi Talib munu si jël dara te at the end of the day Gambia moo si perta bu boobaa nag yow doo nax Talib sa boppa nga nax te at the end of the day ñun yëpp ñoo luus te foog naa mbir mi warut a demee noonu te bu ñu boole ñu ne dañu war a concentrate si Adama pour ñu jëlee ko fii man dama gom ne su ko nit di wax daf koy gom dafay doon loo xamante ni lu mu gom la ni mbedi am la wol ay ke fent mi yalon abe kalan son mol le ko ñu nga lala all right ñun yem ñu gom ne lii léegi political parties yoo xamante ne ay opposition parties lañ seen concentration seen directive seen messaging dafa war a jublu si Adama Barrow ñu jàppane ñun Adama mooy suñ problème bu fekkee ne loolu la ñoo wax ñu xool ne UMC bu génnee lu moo def mooy the first kii naka la di messaging bu moo jox mooy UDP amatul doole kon bu dul nangam UDP mënatu def dara ana lan la mooy wax si Adama mbir mi léegi mu ngi mel ni UDP moo amee site bi mu ngi mel ni léegi UMC seen target bi su United Democratic Party la nekk loolu mooy suñ problème ñun doolu ñu wax doo ñu góomloo loo xamante ne seen boppa góomu leen ko ñaareel bi mooy ñu ngi gis ay xale yoo xamante ne last time maa ngi dégga benn boy boo xamante ne moom own political party am sax moom understand mbir mi lu mu demee ne Alhaji Ousainou moom Facebook president la. I said to myself, kii di wax ni soo ko laajoon mbir mi lu mu demee so amoon a very responsible and informative journalist koo xamante ne dafa def research am na question yu ñu koo laaj gannaaw ëllëg mun na leen fi fekka te question terre à terre la moo nekk lu ndaw loo xamante ne war nga ko mun a laaj du si mun a génnee boppa waaye they can publicly come ñu disrespect Alhaji Ousainou léegi ñu expect ne kenn du leen wax dara gis nga su fekkee ne dañoo wax politique ñu wax réew ñu xam ne ñun balaa ñoo waxi politique wala ñu wax réew si kër lañ jógee ko te kër yooyu ñoo ñu jógee noonu dañ fa bàyyi ay kilifa léegi mënoo bàyyi sa kilifa sa biir kër li nga ko dul wax nga ñëw toog si bantaba di ko wax papay jàmbur loolu foog ngeen ne loolu yenu na maana bu fekkee ne li nga dul wax sa papa sa biir kër wala ku ko wax sa papa mu xol gaañ sa xol bi yaakaar nga ne war nga mën a ñëw toog si bantaba di ko wax papay jàmbur Alhaji Ousainou balaa moo nekk a political party leader borom kër la am na jabar am ay doom am ay jarbaat am ay rakka am family mu am ñoo xamante ne di ñuy xool si moom soo ko xuree tey ñooñu dañ koo yéeg waaye nag boo ko saagee tamit gis nga lu ñu yéegee loolu la ñuy yéegee saaga bi tamit not every word li nga mën a wax paamaane mën nga ko wax kilifa gis nga coow li lu muy bari ni yëpp Alhaji Ousainou du moromi kenn ci xale yi nga xamante ne dañuy wax waaye moo doon political leader boo xamante ne ku jóg rek mun nga ñëw nga saaga ko after nga dem toog waaye ay supportam buñ jógee ne dañ koo defend ñu téye ñooñu lebel leen benn kii wala jël leen def leen si benn poti tamaate ñu ñëw teg leen benn place ne ñooy saagakat yi nga jël kilifay doomi Adama nga saaga ko nga yaakaar ne bu fekkee ne ku am fayda la du react on that moo tax last time ma wax ne gis nga journaliste yi tamit war nañ jël benn responsibility mënunoo laaj nit laajte boo xamante ne leer na ne kii li ma koy laaj ni at the end of the day dafa dem saaga nit either direct or indirectly waaye nga am audacity boobu laaj ko su waxee loolu kooku ngeen mel ni suñ leen nee lii ngeen wax du noonu ngeen jàppane ñun dañ leen di saaga wala dañ leen di confront wala dañ leen di teg benn place boo xamante ne loolu waru mën a nekk Alhaji Ousainou kilifa la si réew mi te alikamim faye abe kuntulal barki yàlla abe kuntulal yàlla moomu yaamira ko isi Alhaji Ousainou nenno alon ko modol sal nenno le komi Gambia meta min fola do mo ko kutu kuyele banne wonte no denno isinane kumandin fo Alhaji Ousainou nanga kuma ba foye andu hani barga kunto to kuntula je ninko oppositional be mu kilingol oppositional mu kilingol leti wotali nga do ko ke as kilimbaya nga nyo kaja fo tuje bari UMC ntela problem mo mal telleti ala findita anytime every time Alhaji Ousainou UDP Alhaji Ousainou UDP we all know you want to be on the spotlight that's fine we know that and then munsi wodi no wala UDP ka UDP castigate ka français ko ka concurrence create alternate UDP team all right nsonta wo fana mbelale but the matter of fact is ala kata aliya lonko albenyim positionnement to be your biggest concentration should be on Adama su ko defee ñu dimbalante soo leen bëggee ñëwaat UDP the door is highly open for everybody UDP is a platform wala an entity bo xamanteni Gambians ñoko boka. It is there for the Gambians. Unless and until you want to be selfish, ñun li moy suñ problème. Li moy suñ problème. Wabi na gudana tig gudina tamit. You know, it's about 3:41 here in the morning. Dilen gerem dilen santa, you know, 3:41 and all of these people are still watching. Very surprised. Anyways, mbal be tentulangal be jay kali kafali ko diamu mandia. Kilindiamo is the kilindiamo ko leatal etala sidi mo me nyinin kay bi kadiamo at least ni diam mo ye jabi, you can pick, your mind can open and then you pick from there. Yeah, but etala sidi etala diam la teng akole ata bakele. So anybody felt offended, fine. Mbali hako danila wo kola. But nak mbe min fo kan wala banko la kote surtout fondinkel le mon tala problème ote alinga kata na fondinke nyaton kaya kana ke koti mi yalon mba kata la le pour kata sorry ka nyaton koli jibe wala ka bula nyaton kol noma ke singol kolobos wala ka kuma yalon ne ya fo nin kala fala election no nga fo UNC koli. I looked at them. The only person who heard me, abe UDP le ke bale mate alfale mate. Nkoy ko ndelibika boy. The moment you believe ko yeng kolobos le fumboita, that is the moment we pick the fight. We renew. Ndelakelo is always renewal. Kabilinga wo fofon say that I am commanding. When I heard you speak and I said, this is the guy that, you know, I mean, like, that will probably modest to understand a language. He is that intelligent to know where what I was referring, or, you know. So, anyways, until na doko wala na diamo always mumbe banko kala kilmoti, mumbe banko sambala, mumbe banko dimol kanyandila, mumbe banko dimol bondila nyim kole yami yalonko ndo wala kono wala muntala objective beloro wala kan always. And there is no exception. Telma foko ka na kalendate mano namo problem osoto. The moment you want to show Gambians another color drum, expect that we will politely invite and ko ikanyamunke imanya nakela. That is why we talked about Musa Jeng. Expectedly somebody will call you tomorrow. Yamo he dega nga pamani lumla wademba. Wakmal dara. Tuswa humalako. So deglo li. Dinga hamne tuswa humalako. Wakmal dara lo hamantini bahut. I watched your interview and I felt very disappointed. You know, because I felt you are not humble. You were, you know, Musa dal man fogo nani dinga don benen Musa bo hamantene I was going to learn from you, but unfortunately it didn't go that way. Dilen kerem dilen santambal be tentura kalbe jay kalbe nimbala telmi yalon kal moy banko kuna limbanko bantala mbe duala banko wala mala yalon de dina sata mustahim slow kan ay ma banko dingol ke kilimati laju usenu wala ma mela banko nyato ala mang banko dingol la findala kamin be nyente bulaike president yim banko kan ala mang ala wo soni andi andunga la president ya ningale ya soni andi ala ma ke banko la nyato tati ay ke banko la nafati ala president ya kana ke banko dingol la nimisoti mbe wodu ala ngalon ko ala sa kenole anun mbe wodu ala ko ala si wo kenye kila hormota ni sun karba hormoto si mol be tentu si mol fana be jayi si mol nimbara mi yalon ko le kala moy banko ko ni banko banda annal bari ma pamane la barka ba jalla moy ko ni